Alright, so this thing is a lot of fun, but it does need some more work done to it, including mounting up the kill switch to the front instead of the back. Right now it's just in the stock position on the engine, so I am going to have to run some wiring around the frame somewhere, maybe even under the seat, and then we can mount up a kill switch to the front just in case something ever happens, and yeah. Alrighty everyone, so we just finished up wiring that kill switch. It works great. This thing does need some more work done to it, including we had to put in an inner tube into the rear tire. We got a nail in it, and then we just had to pretty much put a new inner tube in it, and that's pretty much it. I think we'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.